Good morning, students. Today's topic is settling in suspension. The physical stability of suspension concerned with particles uniformly distributed throughout the dispersion. That suspension is called as stable. There are various types of factors which influencing on settling of a suspensions. First one is theory of sedimentation, particle size, effect of Brownian motion, sedimentation of flow-related particles, sedimentation parameters. First one is theory of sedimentation. The theory of sedimentation can be explained by Stokes' law. It can be explained in previous classes. The advantages of Stokes' law is particles should be always present in spherical shape. Particles do not interfere with each other. Suspension should be dilute when the concentration of solid is 0.5 to 2% weight by volume of the suspension. Next one is particle size. Particle size play an important role in settling of suspensions. Packaging arrangements. Particle size may important determine the particle packaging arrangement and settling behavior. For symmetrical particles produces stable and emulsion without cracking. The particles which are having asymmetric particle shape, either needle shape, irregular shape, they are producing hot cake, and these hot cake cannot be redispersible. Next one, sedimentation parameter. There are two types of sedimentation parameters evaluated for physical stability of emulsion. First one is F, sedimentation volume, or sedimentation height. Volume can be expressed in V, height can be expressed in H. Second parameter is degree of sedimentation. First one is sedimentation volume. It is defined as it is the ratio of final or ultimate volume of sediment of suspension by Vu, means ultimate volume, to original volume of suspension V0 before settling. F is equal to Vu by V0 or Hu by H0. The sedimentation volume always lies in between less than 1 to greater than 1. The suspension which is having F is value 1, that is ideal suspension. The F is value 0, it means instability. For this experiment, we will study the experiment. Plot a graph in between time and sedimentation volume to obtain various sedimentation graphs. These are different suspending agents or different single suspending agent used in different concentration. And this experiment is carried by earlier labs. This graph shows the suspending agent which is near to the ideal suspension curve, that is best. Next one, degree of sedimentation. Degree of sedimentation is defined as ultimate. It is the ratio of ultimate sediment volume of flow-related suspension to the ultimate sediment volume of deflow-related suspension. This can be explained by using following equation. In this suspension, sedimentation volume is 0.5. It means F is equal to total volume of suspension is 100. Initial ultimate volume of sedimentation is 50. So 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. This is in this experiment. Ultimate volume is 100 and total volume is 100. So this is having 1. This suspension is having ultimate volume is 150 and sedimentation volume is 1.5. These are the sedimentation volumes of different suspension. This is the F value is 1. This is ideal. Some of the suspensions which are having sedimentation volume is greater than 1 due to suspensions containing structure vehicle. This structure vehicle produces slight fluffy like particle. There are produces higher sediment volume. So this is occurs due to increasing their sedimentation volume. These are the important parameters for settling in suspensions.